Hello, my name is Sarah, and I am part of the Fall 2018 UCOSP cohort working on Review Board. This is my third and final demo. In my previous two demos, I shared a bit about what I've been working on with the Unified Review Banner base shell project. And so once again, the Unified Review Banner is a unifying banner experience that brings together a lot of the functionality spread across different banners in Review Board currently and brings them all into one centralized place. The new work that I've been working on recently is a follow-up project to that work. This is the Unified Review Banner review menu. And so this takes advantage of a lot of the core functionality that I implemented previously in the base shell project and starts to flesh out some of the features that will be useful for the users in the Unified Review Banner. So I'll show you how it works. As you can see, we have one view registered on the banner here, this review menu. And so first I'm just going to show you, we'll check down on the console. Currently we don't have a pending review defined, so let's create one. So when we open up the review menu here, we can see that there are two options. The first of which is creating a new review, which just creates a new blank review that the user can then add comments to, add file attachments. And then the second option is the ship it option, which allows the users to automatically approve and mark their review as ship it. So let's start just by creating a new blank review. So when I choose this option, you can see that the Unified Review Banner has taken on this familiar green color that represents the draft state. And because we have a draft now, we've replaced the review menu with this discard button in the banner. So now let's check again. And so this time when we look at the pending review, we can see that now it is defined. We have an ID for it. But for now, let's just discard this. So we'll discard the draft. The Unified Review Banner reverts to the neutral brown color. We can see that the pending review is not defined anymore here in the console. So that was one option. Let's try again. So we created the review again. We can see again that review is defined, and we'll publish this one. So right now there's not a publish button in the Unified Banner, but we can go through the review dialog here to publish it. So when we publish the review, you can see now that we don't have a draft anymore, so the Unified Banner has reverted back to the neutral brown color. We have the review menu option again. And so when we check, our pending review is still defined, and if we check this public attribute, that tells us if it's been published or not. So let's refresh the page so that we can see our published review down at the bottom of this review request. All right, so the page is loaded. We'll scroll down to the bottom. Okay, 0 minutes ago, so we can see this review we published, which is blank, but that's fine for now. All right, so now let's check again. We can see that our pending review is undefined, but this time let's try the second option in the review menu. We'll mark the review immediately with ship it. So we have a quick confirmation dialog. We'll choose to post our review. All right, so as you can see, the Unified Review Banner didn't even flinch. It didn't change to the draft green color, but as we can see, we have the pending review is now defined. We can see with the public attribute now that it's true, the review has been published, and we can check this ship it attribute, which tells us that the review has been marked with ship it. So once again, let's refresh the page so that we can scroll down and see our ship it review attach this review request. All right, so the page is loaded. We'll scroll down. Great, 0 minutes ago, we can see that we've marked our review with ship it. So we're happy with the changes that this person has submitted. So this is the end of my demo. Thank you so much for watching.